Hello everyone, welcome to LiveLaw. We bring you news from the Supreme Court about the Hajj pilgrimage. As you know, Hajj is an annual Islamic pilgrimage to Mecca, the holiest city in Islam, which is located in Saudi Arabia. And several pilgrims undertake this journey as a part of a group through private Haj Group Organisers or HGOs. The HGOs are required to be registered to avail of a quota as published in the Consolidated List of Allocation of Haj Quota for Hajj. Some of these groups were announced to be eligible as per the HGO policy on the 5th of May 2023. The Union government then issued a registration certificate to these HGOs on the 18th of May. Then, on the 25th of May, when the Consolidated List for Allocation of Haj Quota for Hajj 2023 was released, the registration certificates were withheld by the Union government for some HGOs. The list made a comment for these HGOs saying, registration certificate and quota kept in abeyance till finalization of proceedings in the complaint-related matter. Then, a show cause notice was issued against these HGOs in relation to a complaint on grounds of the defaults committed by these HGOs. So the groups then approached the Delhi High Court with a petition, saying that the groups have already taken bookings from the pilgrims and the pilgrims had paid in advance for the same. The registration certificates and the comments in the list will restrict the fundamental rights of the Haj Group Organisers as well as the pilgrims. The Delhi High Court stayed the comments made in the consolidated list against the Haj Group Organisers to ensure that the pilgrims are not obstructed from completing their Hajj journey. The court was of the prima facie opinion that although restrictions and conditions on the issuance of registration certificates and quota allotted to the Haj Group Organisers may be imposed, the same should not be held against the pilgrims who registered themselves with such organisers to undertake the pilgrimage in good faith. The Union government then filed an appeal against this decision of the Delhi High Court in the Supreme Court. A two-judge vacation bench of Justice Surya Kant and Justice M.M. Sundaresh heard the matter. Additional Solicitor General Sanjay Jain appeared on behalf of the Union and argued that if the private Hajj operators, which he described as delinquents, were permitted to carry on Hajj tours, it was the pilgrims who would ultimately suffer. While elaborating on his argument, ASG Jain said, and I quote, "There is a system in place. Saudi Arabia grants a quota, 80% goes to the Hajj Committee of India and the remaining is operated through the Haj Group Organisers, HGOs. HGOs have to meet certain criteria. In the month of May, 512 HGOs were cleared. On the 25th of May, we received a serious complaint against some of them. They then approached the High Court of Delhi. He also told the court that the Union government did not wish to negatively impact the pilgrims in any manner. He said that the pilgrims will not have to pay anything extra from their own pockets due to these changes. He said, and I quote, "We don't want to impact the Hajj pilgrims in any manner. They will not have to spend anything extra from their pocket. Their travel will be given to other HGOs. The government of India is giving them a financial guarantee." He further highlighted to the Supreme Court that the Delhi High Court passed this order to ensure that the interest of the pilgrims is not compromised. He said, and I quote, "The concern of the High Court was also that pilgrims should not be disadvantaged. If these HGOs are not up to the mark, the pilgrims will face difficulties in Saudi Arabia." However, the court was not inclined to entertain this matter. The court noted that the matter was listed before the Delhi High Court on the 7th of July and the court sees no reason to interfere in the same. The court also said that the Union should let the pilgrims go to Hajj without any psychological pressure of ongoing litigation in the Supreme Court. Justice Surya Kant, while dismissing the matter, said, and I quote, "All these contentions will be dealt by the High Court. Let the pilgrims go to Hajj without any psychological pressure of ongoing litigation. It would be wiser for you to not take any action against them, the HGOs, till they come back. They won't stay in Saudi Arabia till long." The court has now refused to hear the appeal of the Union government against the Delhi High Court order staying the suspension of the registration of these HGOs. That's all we have for you in this video. If you would like to know more about the case, please visit our website at www.livelaw.in. We will also leave a link down in the description to the full report. If you found the video informative, please leave a like and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.